Hey guys, welcome to this new lesson in this video course. I hope you have already bought the hosting for your first website. Also, if you still haven't bought the hosting, please do so by checking our earlier videos, as this course is all about practical knowledge and you won't be able to move forward without a website. So today we will be talking about the settings and the configuration part of your website. So just follow my step-by-step process and you will be ready with your website in no time. So let's start. Hey guys, welcome to lesson 4 of this digital marketing mastery course, and today's video is all about setting up your first WordPress blog like a professional blogger. So in the last video I told you the importance of starting a website or starting a blog and how important it is for your success as a digital marketer. So I'm sure and I really hope that all of you have already purchased your first hosting, and in today's video we'll be setting up your blog, like install WordPress, install the plugins and get the first layout of your entire blog. So follow me throughout this video step by step. Just follow the video and implement the same things on your blog as well. And within a few minutes, you will have a professional looking blog. So the backend that we will be installing on your blog will be WordPress. Now WordPress is an open source software you can use to create a beautiful website or a blog. All my websites today use WordPress for the backend. And the best part is it is the easiest and the most flexible blogging and website content management system. It's very easy to learn, it's very intuitive, and once you follow this video along with me, and within few minutes you will also start knowing exactly how WordPress works, and you'll be able to make all the changes in the future without even any reference. So here I've listed 5 reasons why I use WordPress. The most popular reason being that it is the most popular CMS in the world, and it's open source with room for expansion, so you'll periodically get free updates for the WordPress. It can be security update, it can be the design update, etc, etc. So you keep getting free updates, and so you don't have to pay any monthly fees. Also, it's highly customizable for great flexibility, so you can change the entire layout from the theme, from the colors, from all the plugins, the widgets, etc. Everything can be customized, so you're not limited to a few fixed sets of settings. Everything can be customized. And also another very important trait for WordPress is that it is designed for everyone, be it a beginner or an advanced person. Everyone can use WordPress to handle their website. And its lower setup and maintenance cost. First of all, WordPress is free. So the SiteGround hosting already provides WordPress for free. Yes, there are a few plugins that you have to pay money for to use them. But apart from that, most of the plugins I'll be using are free. And so let's get started into the video and set up your first blog like a professional blogger. So guys, you must have already received the sales receipt of your hosting purchase of SiteGround hosting. So now I'll be logging into my SiteGround hosting and setting up my first WordPress blog. So just follow along with me and not just watch the video, rather log into your SiteGround panel as well and start implementing all the settings that I'll be doing. So I would want this video to be interactive, and just keep on following what I'm telling you. And if you have any question, you can ask it in the Facebook group, and we will sort that out. So all you have to do is open SiteGround, go to the log, enter the email address that you use to buy your hosting, enter your password, log in. So guys, this is the window that will open up. So save your password in the browser. So here are a few options like set up your first website, start a new website, transfer a website, or don't need help now. So let's say if you already have a website in another hosting, let's say like HostGator or GoDaddy, then you can even transfer your website from that hosting. I will recommend you to kindly transfer it to SiteGround because this is 10 times better than any other hosting provider at the same price. So if you're using GoDaddy or HostGator, kindly transfer it to SiteGround. And if SiteGround is something that you don't like, then no issues at all. So we'll click here, don't need help now, because I'll be telling you the more advanced version of setting up your blog. And we don't need this, so we'll just confirm, and I confirm and complete setup. So this is the backend of your hosting account, SiteGround. So now the first step is to go to your My Account section. And this is the setting of your website. So go to cPanel. Remember my selection, click proceed. So the first step is to go to, so on the left hand side, you will see all the settings of your website. This is the IP address, this is the server host name, and the plan that you have. So I recommend the Grow Big plan, and because you can create multiple websites in it. So the first step is to install the SSL certificate. So whenever you use a website, you'll see that instead of HTTP, you'll see HTTPS. This is the security protocol. So first we'll install the HTTPS certificate on our website. And the best part is SiteGround offers it for free. Other hosting providers charge a monthly fee for this. So you already get a SSL certificate for free. So Control F, let's encrypt. So click here on let's encrypt. Click here on set an action, HTTPS setting. So click here on HTTPS enforce, external link rewrite, click here as well and click OK. So it's already active now. So we'll go back to my account, click on cPanel, click on WordPress, install. Here you choose the protocol. I want the HTTPS with www protocol and ask ankur.in. Directory, leave it empty. Here the name of your blog. It can be anything. For me, it's Ask Ankur. Site description, my first WordPress blog. So I'll write here anything. You can change all of these settings later as well. So I'll write anything like ask me anything. We don't want multi-site, so we'll leave it off. Admin username. This is the username that you would want. So let's keep any username here like test123. And admin password, we'll keep it again anything. Test123. Admin email, this is the email that you'll be using where all the notification of your website will be going. So I'll keep it to dgmybusiness@gmail.com. Select language English, ask me anything, and login attempt. You don't want this. You also don't want this. You want the WordPress starter guide. I won't recommend it. Let's see what's in the advanced option. This is the database name and the table prefix. You wouldn't want to mess with that. So this is what you have to do. Click on install. Password must be greater than 50. Let's change the password to something else. Let's install. So WordPress is installing as of now. So your website must be live now. You can click here and check for yourself. So yes, the website is opening up, and here is the backend URL of logging into your WordPress. So it's your website name /wp admin. So once we click here, you'll be redirected to here. Since we already had the username and the password stored, so that is why we didn't have to log in. But otherwise, the username and the password you created just before while installing WordPress is the username and the password that you have to enter. So here you can dismiss this. You wouldn't want that. And I usually what I do is I remove the quick draft, the WordPress event and news, and keep only at a glance and an activity. I also reduce the zoom to around 80% so that I can see everything clearly. So this is the backend of your website, and this is the website. So any changes that you want in the front end, this is where you'll be doing it. So let me first give you an overview. Here is the home, your basic, you can change all the widgets here. You can add widgets as well. You can even drag and drop here. Then there is the update. If you have any plugin update or a WordPress update, it will be shown here. You can click here. This is the section that you'll be using for adding the articles and adding the post. Here you can segment the articles through various categories and tags. Media is the section where you'll be uploading the images and the GIFs or any video if you want on your website. Pages are any different important pages that you want on your website, like contact me, Ankur, about us, etc. etc. Comment section will help you in moderating the comment, and appearance is where you'll be adding the themes, the plugins, etc. Appearance section is where you'll be adding the theme and customizing it and also changing the widgets. So let's first go through each option one by one. So I think we should first start with the basic setting that you have to do for your blog. So I use few paid plugins on my website that have extremely helped me in the monetization as well as on the overall management of my website. So you can check my blogging tools section here in ankuragarwal.in/blogging tools. Here I have listed all the various tools and softwares I use. In terms of one software, or rather one plugin that I highly recommend, is the Thrive membership. So once you click on it, you will be redirected to Thrive members. So Thrive membership, and I have a discounted link as well. So all you have to do is visit Thrive themes, and at the bottom you will be able to get all these amazing plugins like Thrive Ultimatum, Headline Optimizer, Clever Widget, Landing Page, Architect. Thrive Leads and Architect are the two most used plugins by me, and even Thrive themes, the theme that I use on my website is from Thrive themes. So instead of buying them individually, what I have done is I have purchased a membership for all their products. So I just pay a monthly premium, and I'm able to install all their plugins on multiple websites. So I think that's a 25 limit. So you can use all their plugins for a fixed monthly fees on more than 20 websites. So currently I'm running 7 to 8 plus websites, and all of them use plugins from Thrive themes, like the theme and the Thrive Leads and Architect, etc. So you can see here I have the Thrive Themes membership, yearly membership, which only cost $228. And I highly recommend them if you are serious about doing digital marketing. So all you have to do is click here, visit their landing page here, see plans and pricing. Here you'll be getting all these amazing benefits on their landing page as they mention. So If you pay annually, you only have to pay $19 per month. But if you pay quarterly, then it will be a little higher. So I already have paid annually, and I'm using all their plugins on all my websites. So $19 per month is not a big amount for me, but the amount of benefits I get from this membership, it's uncomparable. So to install all their plugins, what I have to do is I have to log into my Thrive Themes dashboard. I've already logged in, as you can see. Download the Thrive Product Manager plugin. Then I'll do is I'll go back to my Ask Ankur WordPress admin. I'll go to plugin, add new. I'll upload the plugin, file, open, and install. Then I'll click on activate plugin. Now, as you can see, you can come here on the product manager and see which all plugins you want to install. So first I have to log into my account. So let's log into my account here now. So this plugin has already taken my email ID because I had already stored it on my browser. So here are all the plugins that I can install on the website. So the ones that I highly recommend are Thrive Leads. So let's deselect them all first. Let's install this one and Thrive Architect. These are the two most used plugins by me. Other ones you can check their information on their website. They are also good. You can also use Thrive Comments, Thrive Optimize to test your landing pages on various variations. So I will recommend these two, and also install a theme for the website. I use Rise theme for my website ankuragarwal.in. So I'll install the same here as well. So I'll be installing Thrive Leads, Thrive Architect, and Rise theme. So here you can see both our plugins are installed. So now Thrive Themes is a paid membership, so you'll have to pay some money to get all the plugins. But if you don't want to spend the money and if you want free options, then you can go to Appearance Themes. And here you'll have some free themes already, like 2017, 2016 or 2019. So these are the active themes. You can use them as well if you don't want to pay money. But if you're serious about your digital marketing career, if you really want to grow as a professional digital marketer, then I highly recommend to try our Thrive Themes in our ankuragarwal.in blogging tools section. Click here and join the Thrive Theme membership. So this was the other option of going for free option. Now let's do some setting parts. Let's go to our settings part, settings, general. We'll just change few settings. So here will be the website name, and here will be anything related to your website. So if your website is about selling guitars, then you can write something like selling world-class high-quality guitar here in the tagline section. So whatever suits you. Having the main keyword also really helps. So like if you're selling guitar, then writing the main keyword like we sell guitar will really help in your SEO effort as well. So here will be the email ID that will be associated with your account. This is the email where all the notifications will be going. Keep the rest of the settings just like that. Let's check the writing part. Here also leave everything just like it. You wouldn't want to change anything in here. Let's go to the reading part. So blog post shows at most 10 posts and syndication feed. Each article in the feed, full text summary. Never click this, otherwise Google crawler will not be able to crawl your website and your website won't be shown in the search engine results of Google. So don't enable this. Just keep it the way it is. Let's go to permalinks. So make sure your permalink is in the form of post name is selected, not the day and name. You would want the permalink as post name. This is extremely important for your SEO effort and also having a clean URL. So click here and click save changes. Now we'll be installing few more plugins that are important for your website. So we'll go to plugins, install plugins. So we already have few plugins installed. We already installed Architect, Thrive Leads, and Thrive Product Manager. SG Optimizer is the plugin that is already installed by SiteGround Hosting. It really helps in making your website extremely fast. So this is the power of SiteGround. They make your website automatically fast, so you don't need any technical knowledge or have to spend money to hire someone to make your website faster. This plugin itself does all the job. So now we'll be installing few plugins. So we'll click here, add new. We'll add few plugins here. So first we'll add the Contact Us plugin. So first we'll add the Contact plugin. So install here the Contact Form 7. Install now. Click Activate. Here you also have to add the Limit Login Attempts plugin. This plugin will help you in protecting your website from hacking, etc. when people might try a different username and password combination. So this will prevent that. So this is related to the security of your website. There are many other plugins that you can install, but we'll keep these for now. So let's go to the Thrive dashboard and the Thrive theme settings. So we'll check Thrive dashboard. Let's go to general settings. This one looks fine. Let's go to Thrive dashboard again. Let's go to appearance themes. We installed the Thrive Rise theme, but we did not activate it. So make sure you activate it. Click here on activate. So Thrive theme is activate now. So let's check the website. So you must see that the look of your website has changed now. So this is the Thrive Rise theme. So now once you have activated it, go to Thrive dashboard and go to theme options. Here you can change a lot of things, like you can add a logo here. You can remove it and add the logo here. Let's like here it's Rise. You can change the logo to yours. You can create a logo and upload it here. You can also change the logo background, logo position, header font. You can also change the footer copyright text. So the text here, copyright 2019 by Ask Ankur, you can change it. Footer copyright links, do you want these links or not? So we'll just off. Enable footer popular posts, I don't want this. Display breadcrumbs, yes. Let's save all changes. And when you will refresh it now, you'll see that the footer links are gone because you disable them. Style and layout, what's the color theme you want? Let's go for purple. And the blog layout, I would want to be default. Blog post layout, I prefer the full width. I don't want the right widget. Just like if you go to our AnkurAgarwal.in website, if you go to the blog section and you click any of the article, you will see that the article is spread across the screen. So there is no widget area here. So it's article spread across the screen. This is the part that means by full width. Sidebar alignment, you can keep it here as well. So let's save all changes. Let's go to blog settings now. Show featured image in single post. Do you want, so here it's featured image is all about this. This is called the featured image of the article. Do you want this image on the article or not? So you can click it on or off. I have kept it on. Do you want the author name? Do you want the post date or category? Like here is the author name, post date, and the post category. So these three options is what is meant by these three options here. So display about the author page, like here is the author box. This is the author box. Do you want to be displayed it or not? So I have kept it on. So similar things, just check all the settings here and save all changes. I do performance now. Image optimization, I usually prefer lossless image compression, because smaller your website size, higher will be the website loading speed. So always try to compress the images so that the image sizes are smaller and your website loads at a faster rate. So I usually lossless image compression. Lazy load comments, I keep it off, so that this is another feature that will help in making your website faster. Image resize, I keep it to default, save all changes. Comments, I usually show comments on pages. I don't want the comments on pages. I rather want the comments only on the post or the article of the websites. Highlight author comment on, comment count on. You can also integrate Facebook comments. For that, you'll need to check their ID. You can also click here or click on the question button to understand how to add Facebook comments to your website. So let's check the social media. Here you can add your Twitter username, your Twitter button, social media, Google Plus button. You can also decide where it should be shown. So you can add your social media data here, as well as the URL of all your social media. If you already have the social media accounts, I will recommend them to be added here, because this will be shown on your website. And the related post, we'll leave the 404 page. As for related post, I keep it on because I want people to check all the related post of my website. I keep it to 4 and save all changes. Enable this feature and save all changes. So this was it about the Thrive theme setting. You can also customize further by going to appearance and customize. Here you have more settings related to your themes, like you can change the color here. You can also change the font format. You can change so many other things here as well, like site identity. You can check the fonts. You can select which font you want. You can select the size of the font, like the body element, what font should be the headline, what's the size of the headline, the background image. So make sure you check all these other options as well. If I go into each option, then it will take around 3 to 4 hours just for this video itself. So I would recommend for you guys to check all these options. And if you have any questions or queries, ask it in the Facebook group and I'll help you there. So we'll go back. So I forgot this plugin. It's called Yoast SEO. This really helps in the SEO of your website. SEO means getting your website in the Google search result for your target keywords. So I have installed the same plugin. It's free of cost, and I have installed the same plugin on all my websites. This will really help in getting the website search engine optimized. So we'll activate it. You don't have to change much settings in Yoast SEO. It already has the best settings for you. So just install it and activate it. Now the next step is to add an article. So I'll tell you how to add an article. But first, let's create a menu structure. So we'll go to appearance and then menu. Here you can create multiple menus. So let's say I create a menu name like top menu, and I'll create menu. So before creating a menu, you will need some categories. So let's say go to post categories. And let's add some categories. Let's say if your website is about guitar, then you might have a category on how to. So this will be these will be the how to articles. So you can select the parent category or just keep it like that, or you can also add the description. I don't like to keep the description. I'll just add a new category. So this will be for my how to articles. Then one category for my video, where I'll be adding the video based articles. Then other could be my how to blog, or maybe product review. So this will be me reviewing any kind of product. I'm just making some arbitrary categories here. I'm not, you can create other categories as well. So once these categories are created, you can create the menu items. So let's go to appearance menu again. So here you can go into the category section. You can select view all, how to, product, and video, add to menu. You can also add a custom link like home. Click here, home, and let's add it like https www.askankur.in, add menu and save menu. So keep it as primary menu. I forgot to enable this option. You can also add the footer menu as well. I'm keeping it as the primary menu. Footer menu will be shown at the bottom of your website and primary menu at the top. So we'll click save menu. And now when we check our website askankur.in, you'll see that we have the menu items here. How to, home, how to, product review, video, etc. Similarly, you can add more menu items. So now let's add an article to the website. So we'll go add new. So I am using Thrive Architect for my article. So let's first add the title here. Let's say my article is about how to learn guitar. So we'll add the guitar here. We'll select the category that we would want. Let's say how to article. Since it's a how to article, we'll select the how to category. In the tags, I might add guitar, learn, etc. Here is the Yoast plugin. I'm actually working its magic. So here will be, this is the snippet of how your article will look in front of Google search result. So you can change everything here. Like I don't want the site. Let's say I don't want the site title. I can remove the separator as well. So let's keep it here, something like this. Learn guitar in 10 days. So this will be my title. Let's say it's 2019 optimized. So I'll add the date here as well. Similarly, I can add a meta description on what should be shown about the article. Here you can give a brief about the article, what the article is all about. Like in this article, I comprehensively cover in a step-by-step manner how to play guitar like a professional. I just wrote anything, whatever came into my mind. You can create a much better meta description here. So once this is done, click on save draft. So now this is saved in your WordPress backend. Now we'll be creating a beautiful version of this article. So click here on launch Thrive Architect. If you're not invested in Thrive Themes membership, then you won't see this button. Then you'll have to use the basic editor of WordPress. And since it doesn't offer too many functionalities, I usually don't prefer it. I usually prefer to make my article look beautiful in a way that people would want to read. That's why I purchased this membership. Now you can see that the author here is empty. So to change that, all you have to do is click on go to user and your profile. And you can change everything here, like your username, your first name, etc. Also the description that you would want here. Like here you can see everything is empty. You can add all your photos as well, and your social media URLs as well. So make sure you complete this about profile as well, your profile as well, and save it. Only then it will be shown here. So let's say if we want to create this article in a much beautiful manner, so what we'll do is I'll select two sections, 2 by 3, 1 by 3. Here I'll add a paragraph, and here I'll add an image. You can upload an image here as well. So let's go to media library. We don't have any image. So here you can write anything. Hey guys, welcome. This article will cover everything about becoming a expert level guitar player, even if you have just started. I just wrote random lines here just to show you how it works. You can also add multiple other things. So these are all the elements that Thrive Architect offers. I won't be covering all of them because then again the video will be too long. I'll recommend you to go through the Thrive memberships plugin of Thrive Architect and go through all the features it offers, because that's how you learn digital marketing. You have to test everything. Like you can add a table of content as well. You can add a styled list. You can create beautiful lists, and here will be the options related to the list. So let's say if I want to reduce the depth, I can also delete the element. I can also change this check to any other icon. You can add all the icons. You can add even more icons. So let's say I would want like this, so I can click this. So this is the power of Thrive Architect. So you can click here on any element and all the settings will be shown. You can change the background color, background style, layout, position. You can also duplicate the elements. So like you just click here and a new duplicate will be created with the same settings. So you'll just you've already started to see the power of Thrive Architect. This is the reason I've invested some money in Thrive membership, because first you get free themes, then you also get these amazing plugins at a much cheaper price. If you individually buy these plugins, they will cost you around $70 per year, but with just $19 per month I get access to all the plugins, all the themes. This is the reason that I highly recommend using Thrive membership. This is why I recommend you guys to go to Blogging Tools, click on Thrive membership and invest in that, because that's the most amazing membership I've ever purchased. So there are many other things. You can also add tabs, you can add images, you can add GIFs, you can add star ratings, and everything is customizable. It's not like standard. You can change all the settings here, the borders, layout. Let's say if you want to keep it in the center, you can also change that. You can also change the background style. If you want some color, you can add some color. This way you can create a beautiful article. Like this page of my website, you can see that there's an image, there's some text on the left, then there's this box, image, button, membership. So all of this is created using Thrive Architect. Like this beautiful check marks, this proper formatting and all. So you can also achieve such results through using Thrive Architect. So my next task for you will be to set up your blog just like I told you in this video. Complete all the settings, add all the plugins. Also write your first article and share that first article in our Facebook group, so that I along with my moderators can give you a review, and that is how you will be able to become a better digital marketer. So once everything is done, make sure you click on save work, otherwise nothing will be saved. And if you are ready to publish your article, just go back to the article and click on publish. Once you hit publish, your article will be published, and you can click on view post and your article will be live on your website. Just like that. We haven't added anything right now, that's why it's not showing anything, but you can create a beautiful article and then share the article on the Facebook group. Honestly guys, there's too much to learn about WordPress as well, but the things that I've shown you, this is the basic of understanding the back end of your website, the dashboard of your website. So this is the WordPress dashboard. I'll recommend you to first at least complete all these steps, and then sooner or later you'll start understanding all the other options as well. I'll also create a more comprehensive video about how to use the other options of this WordPress dashboard. So don't worry, don't feel too overwhelmed. At the same time, don't feel that we are not taking care of you guys. I want all of you to become a pro digital marketer, and this is a very important step, because without a website you won't be able to learn the future videos, you won't be able to implement everything. So starting a blog is an extremely important part. So if you haven't purchased the hosting till yet, I'll highly recommend you guys to go and make that investment in yourself and complete all these steps and share your questions or doubts if you have any in the Facebook group, and we'll be answering all of them. So guys, I'll end this video here and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Complete all these steps for your website as well. And tomorrow is my favorite topic, search engine optimization and how to drive free traffic from Google. I will also be sharing my strategies on how to write that perfect post that drives hundreds and thousands of visitors for your website. Now I have a checklist for you, the 10 WordPress mistakes that only newbie digital marketers make. I hope someone told me all of this earlier. All you have to do is click on the link below this video and you can download this checklist. Also, I hope you're getting tons of value from our Facebook group. Make sure you're active and I'll see you in the next video.